Hi, my name is Dr. Riaz, and in this video, you will learn about compound complex sentence. Please subscribe my channel and hit the subscribe button and touch bell icon for watching upcoming video. So today lesson is about compound complex sentence. Compound complex sentence are of the four main sentence structure. They are made up of two independent clause which are known as main clauses, one or more dependent clause which are called subordinate clauses. So in a compound complex sentence, we join the complex independent clauses to another independent clause in the same way as for normal compound sentence with coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, conjugated adverb, and semicolon. Forming a compound complex sentence. Now I discuss two examples with you. So first example is because I love to read, I like to visit library. It is a complex sentence. I enjoy going to bookstore too. So it is a simple sentence. No, I combine these two sentences and make a compound complex sentence. First, because I love to read, it is a dependent clause. I like to visit the library, comma, and I enjoy going to bookstore. So, because I love to read is a dependent clause. I like to visit library is independent clause, and I enjoy going to bookstore is also independent clause. So we combine these two clause with coordinated conjunction and no, we have formed a compound complex sentence. Forming a compound complex sentence, no, we see how can we combine with it correlative conjunction. Because I love to read, I like to visit library. It is a complex sentence. I enjoy going to bookstore too because I love to read. Not only do I like to visit the library, but I also enjoy going to bookstore too. So here we combine the sentence by correlative conjunction, that is not only but also. So it's another way to combine the sentence. We can see another reason. Because I love to read, I like to visit the library, I enjoy going to bookstore. No, we combine these two sentences with conjugative adverb. So, because I love to read, I like to visit the library, semicolon. Additionally, I enjoy going to bookstore. In this sentence, additionally is conjugative adverb sentence with a semicolon. Because I love to read, I like to visit library, I enjoy going to bookstore too. Because I love to read, I like to visit library, semicolon, I enjoy going to bookstore too is to. So here we join the sentence with the semicolon. So now you have understand we combine the compound complex sentence with four way with the coordinated conjunction, conjugative adverb correlation, and also use the semicolon. No, it's not necessary we take only one dependent clause. we can take more than dependent class, and these are also compound sentence. I would like to share this example with you. Although I promised I would study with Ethan, I would rather go to movie with James. Nevertheless, I made a promise, even if it's not as a fun. So here you can see that we combined, although I promised I would study with, this is the dependent class. I would rather go to a movie with Jim is an independent class. Nevertheless, I made a promise, the dependent class, even if it is not as a much fun. So we combine the dependent class and independent class. I go into gymnastic independent class because of my brother dependent class, but I got into archery because of my sister. So here we combine the complex sentence and make the compound complex sentence. Similarly, I would like to discuss more example with you. I wanted to go baseball game, but my father, who is ballet fine, wanted to see the Nutcracker instead. We went to some dinner after class was over. However, the food court was already closed. So in this sentence, you can see we combine the I wanted to go to the basketball independent class, but my father, who is also dependent class, who is the very fine dependent class, wanted to see the Nutcracker instead. So it's a whole multiple compound complex sentence. We went to get some dinner after class was over. However, the food court was already. So it is another example of the compound complex sentence. Another example, I will go to the party as long as Terry is there. I will not stay long though. So it is a compound complex sentence. Another compound complex sentence, even though he never studied, he always passed his test in high school, but I don't think he will be able to pull that off in a college when he has a much harder workload. So, dear scholar, as you have seen, the compound complex sentence actually is a combination of independent and dependent class. In upcoming lecture, you will learn about the different type of class, noun clauses, adverb clauses, and adjective clauses. I hope you will enjoy and understand the concept of clauses and make a perfect sentence after watching these videos.